Welcome to Papa Junk's Pond. In the comments, somebody wanted to know how the water control gate worked, so I thought I'd do a quick video. This is looking at it from the water wheel side. There is a steel plate that slides up and down against two pieces of angle iron. See if I can get back in here. Okay, two pieces of angle iron. The plate's fastened on. That acts as a guide. The springs hold the plate up against the back side of the dam. And the control wheel is part of a giant water valve that was in the scrap. And I had them for quite a while. Just didn't want to throw them out, and they finally, just like always, figure out something to use them for. So I think I can operate this where I'm standing. I don't have a lot of room right where the water wheel is. Okay, so I'm going to turn the wheel up here, and that's going to raise that plate. Now I got some slack in here, just so it doesn't bind. You can see the water starting to sneak out from underneath. Starting to fill the buckets up. Open it. The more water we get, the faster the wheel goes. Okay, that's the max. We're just seeing a little daylight underneath the edge there. See, I don't have a lot of space here. I'm going to close it back up. The hammer's going to be wiggly because I'm working that wheel. Blowing down again. Blow it right down to almost nothing. Well, you can, nothing. I'll go around the back side and show you too. If I can get out of here. Open this up. Zoom the camera so you can see, huh? I'll give you a quick shot of what's been going on with the windmills, and they're actually working now. We got rid of the trees, got sick of the leaves. Can't believe how much difference it made. The windmills always turn, but it must have been just enough air to turn them, and it was, I guess they call it dirty air. Wasn't any particular order to it, so it didn't make any power. But they've been working now. I'll probably make a video of that too. Anyway, it's just a quickie about the water wheel. Somebody had a question, so see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Here's a quickie of the water wheel output.